I'm Fresh. Fresh Apple.
I'm Mush Apple, no relation.
Are you okay? You don't look yourself.
Just age catching up with me, I guess.
We were born on the same date, though, Mush.
Oh, what can I say? I'm organic. Au naturel.
My StixFresh sticker is 100% natural, too. One easy-to-apply sticker keeps me fresh for up to 14 days longer. Here, check out this video and see for yourself. As you can see, it's a pretty drastic difference with the sticker and without.
Hard to say. My eyesight isn't what it used to be.
Holy guacamole, avocado. Oh, still looking fresh after all this time.
It's my StixFresh, y'all.
Did you know my StixFresh sticker also helps me retain my moisture? It's what keeps me nice and juicy.
I'm literally oozing moisture over here.
Yeah, that's gross.
Sorry, Fresh, but I don't have much control over that anymore.
It's a bummer that you don't have a StixFresh sticker.
Is this a StixFresh sticker?
No, that's a disgusting worm, and you should probably get that checked out.
I guess.
Not to rub it in, but StixFresh also keeps me sweet and delicious.
You and your fancy sticker. I'm sure I taste just fine.
StixFresh also keeps me firm and crunchy, not soft and squishy like, well, you know.
Okay, I give up. How do I get my own StixFresh?
Oh, I'm sorry, Mush. Pretty much too late for you, my decomposing compadre.
But hey, it's not too late for you to get your hands on StixFresh. It's the all-natural way to keep your fruit fresher longer. Hi, I'm Moody Solomon, co-founder of StixFresh, and I'm very excited to share this groundbreaking technology with you. If you have any doubt as to how excited I am, please consider that I'm in a mango costume. By supporting the StixFresh campaign today, you can help bring this amazing technology to market. And by the way, the impact of StixFresh will go far beyond your home. Did you know that each year we throw away more than half the produce we grow? In fact, in the US alone, we throw away enough fresh fruit to fill the Empire State Building 7 times over. It's time to put an end to the waste with StixFresh. Help us spread the word. Share this video with your friends today.
Hey Google, show me how to fight aliens on YouTube.
Hey Google, play my dance playlist on my Google Play Music.